Hey guys, it's Ford Tech Rich here. I'm in traffic right now, and I got to thinking about something. And a customer brought their F-150 to the dealership, and he says all I had was a blown-out bulb. I mean, it was just the bulb was bad, and I replaced it. My turn signal won't work. I don't know what's going on. Circa 2009, 2010, Ford started doing something where they went to more ground side controlled switching in the computer. And when you had a turn signal go out, maybe you got into an accident and it busted the light and something shorted out and the light, the bulb blew, whatever it was. When you fixed it, the light sometimes wouldn't work. The reason it wouldn't work is because you physically have to go in through the computer system and clear out the code and reset it by clearing out the code in order for the body control module, or lighting control module, but it's body control module, to actually turn that circuit back on and allow it to function properly. So you may have fixed the problem, but until you actually clear the code out of the computer and the computer releases the block on that ground for that circuit, it's not going to work. Clear out the code. If you are confident that you fixed the problem, make sure your code is clear in the computer and then try it again. And you might see that it's working and you did a good job repairing it. So that's just a little piece of advice. Thanks, guys.